The world is losing 137 wildlife species every day, largely driven by the clearing of forests for agriculture, which also increases carbon levels in the atmosphere. As forests absorb nearly 30% of all carbon emissions, we need to protect ecosystems, not only to restore biodiversity, but also to mitigate climate change. But how? Responsible sourcing is an important way to minimize harm to ecosystems. At Tetra Pak, all paperboard and plant-based polymers in our carton packages come from certified or controlled sources, with our plant-based portfolio growing every year. As part of further protecting nature and biodiversity, we're also working with our customers to reduce their material losses, waste and water usage. Together with stakeholders, we launched a pioneering land restoration initiative in Brazil to help restore up to 7,000 hectares of degraded area in the Atlantic forest by 2030. Protecting and restoring biodiversity is essential to a more sustainable future, and it is possible only if we all take collective action. Let's not settle for what we can achieve today. Let's go further. Go nature, go carton. Tetra Pak.